Welcome to SQ Tech Lab YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to make this fantastic paper folding effect for our content. First of all, open After Effects, add paper image and resize it. Then add a rounded rectangle mask on it. Here we will apply roughen edges effect. Now adjust the properties. Let's set the borders. That's fine. Change the scale. Complexity 10. Next, add logo and resize it. We have two layers here. We will pre-compose these two layers. Now create a solid layer. Now we will apply CC page turn effect on this pre-comp layer. Now adjust the properties. On that opacity 100. Select none here. Let's change the paper color. This is better. And light direction. Well, now let's set fold radius. Next, go here. We will add keyframe to fold position. At this fold position at starting moment. At beginning, I will keep this paper completely out of the screen. Now move 1 second and add another keyframe. And here I will bring complete page on frame. Well, now we will apply drop shadow effect on our pre-comp layer. Shadow will make this page turning more realistic. We can increase the distance for larger shadow. Let's keep distance 23. Okay. Keep opacity 57%. Let's change direction of shadow 145. Looking good. Let's play our project. Fantastic. Now let's add some text animation. Add a text layer. Let's select Korean new font here. Font size 72. Now type something here. Resize it. Now let's add an animation here. On animator. Click on character offset. Next go to property. Opacity. In range selector. Add keyframe to the start, select 0. And in ending keyframe, select 100. Opacity value 0. In advanced, smoothness to 0%. Now let's see what we did. Now let's duplicate the text layer. Change position for this one. Select italic for this layer. Change the text here. And done. This way you can make this fantastic effect for your project. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, like this video and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for our next video and take care.